Hello, I'm James Preston, a security consultant here at AN Security. In this short demonstration, we're going to have a look at how per-user VLANs applies to Ruckus Cloudpath, ensuring that your wireless users can get connected at any time with any device. Ruckus Cloudpath is a Ruckus-specific technology in that it requires Ruckus controller infrastructure, for example, the Ruckus Cloud or the Smart Zone controllers. It uses a technology known as DPSKs, or dynamic pre-shared keys, to authenticate devices onto a wireless network. To make use of the per-user VLAN technology, a central authentication service is required. Individual VLAN IDs are mapped to individual identities. One thing to consider about per-user VLANs is that if you have 1,000 users that you want to have on this service, you will require 1,000 VLANs. And AN Security has built up a wide breadth of experience in this number of VLANs and have built templates and other services which we can use to make it possible to deploy this kind of a network. Cloudpath is significantly customizable, and this short demonstration is only a small taste of what's possible. The authentication workflow that I'm going to take you through as part of this demonstration starts with the user jumping onto an onboarding SSID. A captive portal then redirects them to the Cloudpath web service. Once the user is authenticated, if it's the first time that they're authenticating into Cloudpath, they'll be assigned a personal VLAN ID from the pool. They then obtain their pre-shared key and use that to connect to the standard Cloudpath SSID. As part of the radius response, which is sent back to the wireless controller or the wireless access point, the personal VLAN ID is included with it. The Cloudpath onboarding portal is a responsive web application. In this case, I'm using Windows 10 with Microsoft Edge, but the website will adapt to different operating systems and browsers. For instance, I could be using a mobile phone and still have the same level of experience. In this case, I'm prompted with a terms and conditions to accept. Once I've done that, I'm then prompted to log in with my username and password. In this case, we're using LDAP into Active Directory, but Cloudpath will plug into a wide variety of different authentication services, also including Radius, SHAML2, Shibboleth, and other authentication backends. Once I've authenticated to the service, I'm then presented with my personal Wi-Fi code. This Wi-Fi code is also linked against my own personal VLAN. Remembering that Cloudpath is infinitely flexible, all the messages, all the displays that you've been shown here can be customized. If we don't want to have that acceptable use policy step, that can be removed, for instance. If we want to use our own custom CSS and branding, that can all be used as well. In addition, this Wi-Fi code has been sent to the user to whichever email address is registered against their account. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about Ruckus Cloudpath or how this technology could be implemented in your infrastructure, please get in touch with your AN Security account manager or give us an email at inquiries@ansecurity.com. Thank you.